Imagine a fighting force so disciplined, so well-equipped, and so ruthlessly efficient that it could conquer and control vast territories for centuries. Welcome to the Ancient Civilizations channel. Today, we dissect the engine of Roman power, the legion. Our story begins in the mid-Republic, around the 4th century BC. The earliest Roman armies were citizen militias, effective for local defense but less effective for extended campaigns abroad. Think of farmers called to arms, their agricultural tools temporarily replaced by spears. The fundamental change came with the Marian reforms in the late 2nd century BCE. Gaius Marius, a prominent general and statesman, fundamentally restructured the military. He eliminated land ownership as a prerequisite for service, opening the legions to landless citizens. This created a professional army, with soldiers enlisting for long periods, receiving standardized training, and becoming dependent on their general for their future. The legionary became a specialist. His primary weapon was the gladius, a short, double-edged sword ideal for close combat. He also carried 2 pilar, heavy javelins designed to pierce enemy shields and disrupt formations. For protection, he wore segmented plate armor called the lorica segmentata for imperial-era legionaries. Earlier periods wore chainmail and other forms. A helmet, the design of which evolved over time, and a large rectangular shield, the scutum, which could be used offensively and defensively, even forming a protective turtle formation. In addition to individual equipment, the legion's strength lay in its organization and discipline. A standard legion in the late Republic and early Empire numbered about 5,000 heavily armed infantry, supported by auxiliary troops, non-citizens who provided specialized skills such as cavalry and archers. The legion was divided into 10 cohorts, the first cohort being the largest and composed of veteran soldiers. Each cohort was divided into 6 centuries, typically commanded by a centurion, a seasoned veteran who was the backbone of the legion's command structure. Training was rigorous and relentless. Recruits underwent months of marching, weapons drills, and combat simulations. Discipline was severe. Infractions could result in severe punishments, fostering a culture of obedience and unit cohesion. This discipline allowed legions to execute complex maneuvers on the battlefield, adapting to different terrain and enemy tactics. Logistics were also a key component of legion effectiveness. Roman armies were skilled at building roads, bridges, and fortified camps, ensuring a steady supply of provisions and secure bases of operation. These infrastructure projects also had a lasting impact on conquered territories, facilitating trade and communication. The impact of the Roman legions on the ancient world is undeniable. Their military prowess enabled the expansion and maintenance of a vast empire, influencing laws, languages, architecture, and political systems across Europe, North Africa, and the Near East. From the sands of Judea to the forests of Germania and the hills of Britain, the legions left an indelible mark. Their effectiveness was not simply about brute force. It was a combination of superior organization, discipline, equipment, and a relentless will to conquer. The history of the Roman legion is a testament to the power of military innovation and disciplined execution. It offers a valuable case study in how a well-structured and professionally trained fighting force can alter the course of history.